Hi friends, in this problem we are given sum of third and ninth term of an arithmetic progression is 10. Find the possible sum of first 11 terms of this arithmetic progression. We are just given sum of third and ninth. We want sum of first 11. Nothing to worry. We just use the principles basic understanding of arithmetic progression. Let's say we have 11 terms like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right. So here they are saying sum of third term and ninth term. What is the sum of third term and ninth term? It is double that of sixth term, right? Sixth term would be the average of third and ninth term, right? Because sixth term is the center. This term is the center of third and ninth, right? So average of third and ninth is six, right? Because this is our arithmetic progression. Mathematically also, we are saying what is third term a plus 2d and what is ninth term a plus 8d. What is the sum of this? A plus 2d plus a plus 8d, that is 2a plus 10d. That means 2 into a plus 5d. What is a plus 5d? A plus 5d is actually a6, right? A6 is A plus 5D. So that is also saying 2 into A6 equals 10. So third term plus 9 term is 2 times 6 term. Fifth term plus 7 term is also 2 times 6 term. Fourth term plus 8 term is also 2 times 6th term. 1 plus 11 is also 2 times 6th term. Like this, because this is all in arithmetic progression. The middle one is the average of the ones which are equidistant from this. So what is our A6 now? 2 A6 equals 10. That means sum of third and ninth is 10. So A6 is actually 5. Right. The middle term is actually 5. The value of middle term is 5. Now, now this middle term is actually average of first and 11th, second and 10th, third and ninth, fourth and eighth, fifth and seventh. Right. So we have 5 pairs. Right. 5 pairs. 5 pairs of terms whose average is 6. That means these 5 pairs are contributing 5 into 2 A6 terms. Right. The average of first and 11th is also 6. That means first plus 11 should be 2 times 6. Right. So similarly, we have 5 pairs. So each pair is contributing to A6 for the total sum. So 5 times 2 A6 plus this sixth term also. So this is the total of all the 11 terms. So that is 10 A6 plus A6, which is 11 A6. That is 11 into 5, which is 55 is the final answer. Right, guys? So 1 plus 11 will be equal to 2 times A6. Similarly, 2 plus 10 is also equals to 2 times A6. So we have such 5 2 times A6, right? Total 10 A6 plus this 6 is this the original 6 term also, A6 also. So total is 55. Right, guys? Thank you.